Yeah, that's it. That's the one. That's the one. That was the first one I did. That like record scratch.
Okay, now the third one.
Third one. It's a slower one. It's like a xylophone sound, like dun 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 dun.
Hang on, Pat. Can we just go back to the first one? Because there's two that are very similar. The doodling, doodling. There's one that's like ascending and one that's descending. So one that goes doodling, doodling, doodling.
Yeah, nah, it's the same tone again, like dun dun dun.
Yeah, but it's going from low to high, right?
Let me just recheck.
Because there's one of the blocks that's going from...
Yeah, it's the same tone repeating, and it's going low to high, like da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun.
Okay. Pat, we got the first one, and have we got the second one, Butch?
Yeah. Yeah, second one was a record scratch. I did the first one.
What's the third one?
So it's like a deep xylophone, and it's alternating tones but ascending. So it's like dun 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 dun, and a big gap in between the repetition.
Just say it over again a few times.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, no. Little jingle at the end. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, I didn't hear a little jingle at the end. I'll go re-listen though. Definitely no jingle at the end. It just ends as like high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low.
Alright, try the next one.
Yeah. So it's like a constant noise that's like outer spacey, like
Just high pitch.
It's kind of like low pitch. I wouldn't call it like super high pitch. It's like you're kind of like running your hand around a wine glass.
Yeah, I think we got it.
Cool. Do I push the button?
Give us all your
Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button?
The last one. Yeah, give us the last.
That was the last one. 1, 2, 3. Oh. No. I've done. Hang on. Wait.
We've before that.
Yeah, sorry. So that one I just did was the second last one, or was the last one, but I haven't done the second last one. So move the one that you just put in.
Sorry. Yeah. Yep, no, the second last one.
Second last one I haven't done.
What is it?
Yeah, that's definitely the electric didgeridoo. The yeah.
Yeah, that's a good.
Hey.